Hey, what is up everyone? In today's video, I'm going to show you how to create a Facebook group. Now here's how we are going to do it. First things first, we're going to tap our profile. After tapping our profile, we're going to go ahead and look for a groups option in here. Now go ahead and click that one. Once you're in here, you're just going to go ahead and click that plus sign in there, and you're going to go ahead and click create a group. Once you're here, you're just going to go ahead and name your group. So I'm going to call this the group one. Just in case it's for a project. Now another thing is for the privacy, you can click this one and you have two options here. We have public and private. Now go ahead and choose which one you are going to use. So for example, if I'm going to have it private, I can click this one here, and then for the visibility, I can click this one and basically choose between the option. When it is visible, anyone can find it. When it is hidden, only members can find this group. So go ahead and choose which one you want. So in this particular tutorial, I'm going to have it at visible, and we're going to go ahead and click create group. And yep, that's how it goes. Now from this point forward, you can go ahead and start inviting people. You can click this one here in order to share it, or you can basically click this one in order to share a QR code, and basically they're just going to go ahead and scan it, and then they'll be able to join the group. Now once you're done sharing, you can just go ahead and close this one. Alright, just like so, and then you can go ahead and proceed adding a cover photo. Just go ahead and click next, and then go ahead and try to add a description in here. Click next once again, and then you're going to go ahead and start creating a post. So yep, that's just how it goes, everybody. Congratulations, now you have managed to create a group here on Facebook.